Paltos na yung paa natin, 18 kilometers pa lang. Sobrang sakit na ng paltos ko, guys. But of course, I have committed to finish the race. Alright guys, we have to do warm up muna here habang wala pa. Let's go. Hanap na tayo CR, naiihina ako. Let's go. So ito yung pinaka main stage nila and look at the surroundings. Okay. So if you're a 21K finisher, you have to go here, this area. Okay, to claim your loot bags or whatever. Pa-picture na tayo dito habang maaga-aga pa. This is their hydration area. Ayan. Tara, starting line. Sali tayo sa wave 1 guys. So wave 1 to ng mga runners. Let's go. Join the runners here. Paahon na, paahon. Susukat na natin tibay dito sa paahon na area. Bibili muna tayo sa gilid. Ito. Ulit. 5 kilometers. 30 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay. Gatorade muna tayo. Let's go. Here. 10 kilometers, 1 hour and 1 minute and 30 seconds. Not bad. Take it easy. Whoa! 12 kilometers. 30 kilometers pa. Paltos na yung paa natin, 18 kilometers pa lang. Kailangan ko maglagay ng band-aid. Takbo ulit. Goal natin makatapos lang guys. Wala tayo sa kondisyon, walang tulog. Manila area na tayo. Paspray ulit tayo ng paa, sakit na eh. Thank you. Water tayo, water. Grabe guys. Sakit ng paa ko yun talaga yun eh.
Hindi! Dapat shoutout kami ya! Shoutout ya!
Oh, shoutout daw.
Shoutout! Shoutout!
This way to Binondo. And now we're here at the Jones Bridge. Look at that. 27 kilometers. 33 kilometers. 9 kilometers more. 4 hours and 10 minutes. Sobrang sakit na ng paltos ko guys. But of course I have committed to finish the race. Kaya pinipilit ko pa rin tumakbo, lakad, takbo. Kahit ang sakit na ng paltos ko. 5 kilometers more pero sobrang sakit na ng paa ko. Paltos is real. Pinipilit ko lang. 2.5 kilometers. Tinitiis, kinakaya. Let's go. Last 500 meters. Almost there. Ayan na guys. Oh. There. 5 hours and 33 minutes. 30 minutes. That was a success.
Here's the medal. Thank you.
Oh, success! First full marathon. Thank you, Lord. Able to finish it safe.